Hi guys, this is Tarlin from CloLab and Plexiglass, and today I'm going to show you how to measure for your custom AC panel. So let's get started. Your panel is going to sit on your frame, so it has to be larger than your window opening, and we'll need to cut notches around any hardware or obstructions that are on your frame. I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide. The first step is we are going to measure the width of your panel. So you're going to go from one end to the other, maybe leave yourself 1/8 of an inch, just a little bit of tolerance so that your panel is not the exact same size as your frame and it will fit nicely. Now we're going to measure the height of your panel. Again, leave a tiny little bit of space, 1/8 of an inch smaller will do it. We're going to measure for the notches. So where the notches start and where they end on both sides. For this measurement, you want to give yourself at least 1/4 of an inch of wiggle room on each side of the notch. So I'm going to start my cut for my notch there and I'm going to end it there. I'm going to measure the second notch as well. Now we're going to measure the height of your notch. So this measurement is going to be from the edge of your panel to the window opening. You don't need to add any tolerances for this measurement. And the final step is deciding where you want to put your cutout for your adapter. We recommend at least 4 inches from any edge. So now it's time to order your panel. You're going to select whether you have a vertical or horizontal window. Then you're going to select the range your smaller dimension falls into. For example, my panel is 26 5/16 wide, so I'm going to choose the 24 to 29 inch range. Then I'm going to select my Velcro color. And once I click purchase, I'm going to put in my height and width measurements. You can finish checking out, and when you're done, you'll want to send us a diagram of your panel along with a photo of your adapter and the make and model of your portable AC. If your notches are wider, it will be problematic if they're the same size or too small. Now we have our beautiful custom AC panel. We're going to do a dry fit, make sure that everything clears before we peel the masking. Success! My mom would be proud. It's a thing of beauty. Okay, so now we are going to peel the backside, and you know that it's the backside because there's an area that's shaved down. So you can start peeling from the corners. Give your frame a nice wipe so that the Velcro will stick nicely. You're going to stick the two pieces of Velcro you have together so they're acting as a single piece. Beautiful. And now you're going to cut it. Boom! Look at that editing. Okay, now we're going to feel the front side. And we're ready to mount this bad boy. But first, add your Velcro to the frame. You can also add it to the back of your panel. Then peel the sticky side. Align as best you can. If you have an extra set of hands, I would recommend getting a friend to help you with this step. Then you want to just pat it down. Now we're going to add the adapter. We cut to your adapter, so this just happens to be one of them. Beautiful! Look at that. Now you're ready for summer.